Hi, I'm Dr. Mark McCawley, and today I'm going to answer a few questions about what can actually affect your gums, what doesn't affect your gums, what does affect it. And something that I get asked a lot, can my crowns affect my gums? There's people that get dental crowns, veneers, fillings, things like that. And, well, if they're done well, a lot of times they don't cause significant harm to the gums. But you'll see some cases here where if they're not done well, they can cause some issues. So here's actually a case of some veneers. So this person ended up getting veneers actually in South America there, and she came in severe bleeding, inflammation around the margins of these veneers, deeper pockets which indicate some bone loss there too. So things are going downhill pretty quickly here. It's like, why is this happening? Why could this be happening around these veneers that are not that old? They're only maybe a couple years old. Well, we ended up and we took some x-rays, and you can actually see there's some overhangs. So these veneers are very poorly made. There's really poor overhangs on them. Also, there's bacteria in there as well, some severe bacteria overgrowth, even some viruses as well. So these are some things that can actually affect the way your body reacts to these. So the veneers were actually, they didn't really bother her much for a few years, but then all of a sudden things started getting worse, and my hunch is some of this bacteria and these viruses actually played a part of it. So if you have veneers, if you've got crowns, and you've got some issues with them, more bleeding, more inflammation around those areas, definitely come in, get checked out, because it's something we can help you out with. Thank you very much, and have a great day.